Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to tell you about the overall image editing which you can do on Nokia PureView 808 without using any other external application. So if you go to the gallery, you will find all the images which you have taken using the camera or which you have transferred to this phone. For example, if we have this image and I want to actually modify this image over here without using any external software, I can always do using the default options which are there in camera gallery on Nokia PureView 808. That is, I can always crop this image using this quick option which is located at the bottom toolbar, this one. So let's first of all crop it. So once we have cropped it, we will get the final image. Now this is the final image. If I want to do further editing on this image, I can go and hit this option over here, and this will give me the option to edit, send and share. I will select the edit option over here, and once I click the edit thing, I will have some detailed options for editing. That is this one. We can control the contrast, brightness. We can remove the red eye in case there are some person in this image and you have a red eye problem in those images. You can always control the contrast, saturation and the RGB colors from here. So these are some detailed options. We will not go into this. And then we have this option of rotating the image, flipping the image all over, resizing the image or cropping the image again. So let's first of all flip this image. Let's try and flipping. So this is how you do the flip. So as this image is quite identical, it doesn't look different, it doesn't look much different even after flipping, but you can see the object going from here to there. You can notice the position of the green flower and the pink flower over there, and this is how the flip happens. If you want to cancel this, you can always press the cross button. If you are okay with it, then you can press the right button. And then you have other options like you can add different effects on the image. For example, you can have this image to have this color style. All these effects are applied automatically, so you can't change you can't change anything after applying an effect once you confirm it. But before you confirm it, you can always go through all the effects which you have on this phone. These are all the effects. These are like Instagram effects which you see in the Instagram application, which is quite popular these days. So apart from this, you have the frames as well. You can apply different frames. As you can see, this is the default frame which is applied, and then you can change the frames again. So let's have this frame. Maybe we can select this frame. So we have selected this frame, and once you have selected a frame and once you are done with editing, you can also insert the clip art, which you can see over here. Again, from this option you can insert different objects like all these into the image. We will not add any clip art right now, and once the editing is complete, you can save the image like this. And now it is saving the image. It will save the image again into the camera gallery, and once the editing is complete, you can go back and see the image in the camera gallery over here. So this is how the final image will look like. So this is how you will see the final image after editing, and this is the original image before editing. So you can have different kind of good editing on the phone without actually installing any software on the phone to do the image editing. And this is something which we liked about the phone. Hopefully this video actually will be helpful to you if you are using Nokia PureView 808 and if you are interested in image editing on the phone. So that's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If this video actually helped you,